Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix Revolut identity verification failed errors. So first you need to make sure you're using a valid government issued photo ID that hasn't expired. Then take your verification photos in a well-lit area and ensure the entire document is clearly visible. If Revolut asks for a selfie, remove hats or sunglasses and follow the on-screen instruction carefully. Then double check that the personal information you entered matches your identification document exactly. Then update the Revolut app to the latest version and restart your phone before trying again. If your verification continues to fail, then you need to contact Revolut support through the app for further assistance. So that was how to fix Revolut identity verification failed errors. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.